What the? Excuse me there, mister. What do you want? Hi, my name is a robot. Jeez, what? Fuck you. This is not what I want on my birthday. It's your birthday. Sorry to hear that. What are you doing here? You don't look very monstrous. Okay, Mom, bye. We're gonna go outside and make some friends. What is it? I have no idea. It didn't look like any good news. Good news? What are you saying? Probably something bad would happen. You're right. Brother, what's gonna happen? Hey, calm down. I don't think it's anything bad. I mean, this is a kid out of nowhere. He could have went to somewhere like in New York. New York? Yeah. Let's go see what's going on. Sweetie, are you okay? Sweetie, what is it? You have a cut on your face. I do? Yes, you do. Hey, what's going on? My daughter got hurt by that robot thing that just disappeared out of nowhere. I think... You alright, sweetie? I'm fine.